Did you know that Rooibos tea isn't actually tea? It's an herbal infusion made from a South African plant, and its unique flavor can vary widely depending on how you brew it. Want to know the secret to a perfect cup? Let's dive in. First, start with freshly boiled water. Rooibos needs hot water, around 100 degrees Celsius or 212 Fahrenheit, to fully release its rich, earthy notes. Add 1 heaping teaspoon of loose Rooibos or 1 tea bag to your teapot or cup. Now here's the trick. Steep it for at least 5 to 7 minutes. The longer steeping time brings out the natural sweetness and nutty flavor without bitterness. Feeling adventurous? Add a touch of honey or a slice of lemon to elevate the taste. And here's a bonus tip. Rooibos is caffeine-free, making it perfect for evenings or even as an iced tea. Ready to take your tea exploration further? Check out our last video, The Benefits of Drinking Echinacea Tea, a health guide. Discover how it boosts your immune system and pairs beautifully with your Rooibos ritual. Thanks for joining us, Tea and Coffee Explorers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tea adventures. Until next time, happy brewing.